Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP35 and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the video mode, but we can set the photo. Basically it does not really matter on which mode you will be. And then we have to enter the settings in the right upper corner and tap on this reset option. Now let's tap on confirm. And basically all of the customization on your device, especially in the camera, has been reset. So you should get rid of any kind of problems you meet whilst using the camera. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.